guys, I knew I was feeling something weird on my back tire. I have a flat. All right guys, so I was out for my first warm-up session and I thought, man, these new Starcross 6s suck. And then I looked back and I had a flat. So the rear's flat. So now I'm not even gonna be able to test the Starcross 6s today. That'll have to be another day. I'm just gonna swap out for the Maxxis from my silver gas wheels. So then I'll change this later at home. So yeah, we'll do that now. Hadn't actually taken this wheel off yet since I'd added these P3 swing arm covers, which are a prototype. They weren't absolutely perfected yet, and it's touching the axle block right there. So I've got to trim it so we can get the axle out and put a new wheel on this thing. Bros, it is hot. We just got the gas wheel and spacer swapped over to the KTM. Different size sprocket on it, so of course we get to adjust the chain.
You have one less tooth in deep till. That ought to be fun.
Oh yeah. All right guys, we're out here with Weston on the big track. It's a little deep for 50s today. There goes Kinley. A little deep for 50s today. Probably only Weston's. It's really probably his first time on a track this deep. Look at him taking the rut. Good job, buddy. Good job. Doing really good. Even a few of the kids that have some seat time are kind of struggling in some of this deep stuff. He fell over once in the start straight. It was really deep and rough, but this is great practice for him because if he can ride this stuff, then he gets on a smooth track. Oh. Oh, okay, man. Go, buddy. Kind of deep over here, huh? There you go. Oh. Oh. What do you say we get you out of this deep stuff, huh? Now take off down the middle and then get back on the track, will you? Good job. All right, so had to help a couple other little ones, and now I've already lost mine. So let's try to go find him. This 50 dad stuff is even a little more hectic than my own riding. There he is. Good job, buddy. There he is, taking the smooth, dry inside lines. I like it. Good job, Weston. Oh yeah, looking good. Proud dad. Good job, buddy. You're doing great. Good job. Here Here comes Aiden Caldwell past him, clearing the table. Cobra. Good job, buddy. Good job, Weston. All right, make sure you pull off after the checker. Hey! Ooh, it's a hot one today, huh? I'm really glad that he left this roller section in. The one that's been here for a while. This thing is super fun. You get it dialed in, it's just super smooth. There's really no kickers, but you're also kind of turning the bike. And so it's double, 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 double. Really cool section. You can cut off a significant amount of time if you hug the insides, but you're also turning sharper, and the inside always tends to be a little more wet and greasy because everybody else is doing the outside. So risk you gotta take, but cool section right here. Really do like this one. One practice, guys, they were broke in. Felt just as good as my old ones I've been wearing since 14.